In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in OneDrive. If you're a fan of dark mode and enjoy the comfort it brings to your eyes, especially during late hours or in dimly lit environments, you will be pleased to know that OneDrive offers this feature for a more visually comfortable experience. Let's delve into how you can switch OneDrive to dark mode seamlessly. First, open OneDrive on your device. Once you've got OneDrive up and running, you'll want to locate the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to the settings menu and is conventionally found in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on the gear icon will reveal a drop-down menu that gives you access to a variety of settings to personalize your OneDrive experience. Next, in the settings menu list, you'll see an option labeled Default System Theme. The significance of this option is that it allows OneDrive to automatically adjust its theme based on your device's current settings. But for today, our focus is on manually switching to dark mode, so go ahead and click on this option to proceed. When you click on the default system theme, it will present you with additional choices. Here is where you can explicitly select the dark mode option. By doing so, you're instructing OneDrive to adopt the darker theme, effectively transforming the interface from its default or light theme to the more soothing dark theme. This selection is particularly useful not only for reducing eye strain, but also for saving some battery life on devices with OLED screens, as they consume less power when displaying dark backgrounds. Once you've made your selection, you should notice that the transition is immediate. The interface's colors shift to darker shades, giving a new aesthetic to your OneDrive. If for any reason the change doesn't appear right away, try restarting OneDrive or refreshing the application. However, this is rarely necessary, as OneDrive typically implements display changes smoothly and instantly. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled dark mode in OneDrive. Enjoy using OneDrive with this new look, which can be easier on the eyes and make working on documents and organizing files more comfortable and visually appealing. Remember, you can always switch back to the default or light theme by revisiting these settings and adjusting as needed. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep experimenting with your tech settings to customize your digital environment exactly how you like it.